Today, let us see about the path array. The command equivalent of the path array is array path. The path array command allows you to evenly distribute object copies along a path or a portion of the path. The path can be a circle, a polyline, a spline, a helix, an arc, a circle, and so on and so forth. So let us draw a spline here. So I'll draw my spline here. Now let us draw a small circle. And now select the path array command. After that, you can see the command window prompts you to select object. So select this circle here and then press enter. And then you're prompted to select the path curve. So select this spline here. As you can see, the circle has been distributed evenly along the spline. Now if you want to change the number of items, you can see that the item count option is disabled. This option here. So to enable it, go to the properties panel, this one here, and then click on the down pointing arrow on the measure command, this one here, and then select the divide command. As you can see, the item count option is now enabled. So you can change the number of items. For instance, I will change the number of items from 18 to 10. So I'll type in 10 and then press enter. Simply like that. So I will close the array and then let us select this. Now let us see about the polar array command. The command equivalent of the polar array is array polar. The polar array distributes object copies in a circular pattern around a center point or axis of rotation. So let us draw a big circle here. And also, I will draw a small circle. So now, select the polar array command. As you can see, the command window prompts you to select object. So select the circle, the small circle, and then press enter. And then you are now prompted to specify the center point of the array. So select the center of the big circle. As you can see, a polar array is created around the circle. The way you interact with this array dialog window is just exactly the same way we did with the rectangular array, except for a few things, like this option here in the items panel, the fill angle option, this one here. This option specifies the angle between the first and the last item in the array. So for example, let us try to change it to 90. So I'll type in 90 and then press enter. As you can see, an angle of 90 degrees is specified between the first and the last item of the array. So let us type the angle back to 360 degrees. And that is all about the array command. So I will close the array, then I will erase this.